Today we're going to show you how to change the gas shocks on your hatch. Now it goes without saying that if you need to replace these shocks, you're going to need something to keep the hatch up. You're also going to need something to remove the shocks. So all you're going to need today, a flathead screwdriver and a broomstick. Now as you can see on this vehicle, there are actually two sets of gas shocks. You have the outer one which holds up the hatch and the inner one that holds up the glass. Now it's actually the inner ones that we're going to be replacing today. So let's get going. Alright, so here we are at the glass, and as you can see, these are pretty much toast. So in order to keep the glass up, you grab your broomstick and you're going to wedge it in place to keep the glass out of the way. We're then going to move on to the shocks. Now the shock is actually made up of three parts. There are the two brackets and the gas shock in between. And the gas shock is only held onto those brackets by small little C-clips that actually roll on little balls. Now in order to get those off, all you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. You just go in, pop the C-clips out, very simple. And the gas shock comes out just like that. Now we're going to replace them. It's now time to replace the new gas shock. You want to add just the tiniest little dab of grease to the two balls. You grab your shock, make sure it's the right way around. And now you need to put the circlips back. Now this can be a little bit fiddly, so just give me a few seconds. Well, there you go. You just repeat the actions on the other side and you'll be ready to go in no time.